Hello, my name is Vilsi. My register number is URK1144. I'll be explaining about experiment 7. So, the aim is to train word to vec and glove models on a given text corpus to obtain word embedding that captures semantic meaning. I'll be explaining this code. So here we have imported GenSim. So it brings the GenSim library into the program, so we can use its word embedding tools. From GenSim models.import word2vec is we will import the word2vec class, so we can create and train a word2vec model. And test.utils means we will load a tiny example dataset like common text we can train on for demonstration. And we have imported numpy and matplotlib. So numpy is a library for working with numeric arrays, and matplotlib is for drawing graphs. And sklearn decomposition import PCA's principal component analysis to reduce vector dimensions for plotting, so it will be the same data but compressed. And model W2V, here we have given the entire function. So this is, it will train a small word2vec model on common text that produce 50 number vectors per word. We given vector size is 50. And window 5 will look at the nearby words, the 5 nearest words it will check. And min count 1 is it will keep all the words. And workers 4, here workers 4 means it will use 4 CPU threads. And SG0 is it will choose CBOW training. And here we will save the model. We can save the trained word2vec model to the file word2vec.model file, so we can reuse it later. And then here we are loading the file, so we can load the saved model back from disk. So if you want to start a new session, so we can do it. And embedding index is it will create an empty Python dictionary to hold the glove word like vector mappings. And we have uploaded a file like glove.6b.50d.txt. We will open that glove file. It's a plain text file of pre-trained vectors, so we will read it. For line in F is it will go through the glove file one line at a time. Each line contains one word and its vector numbers, and then we'll split it. So splitting the current text line into pieces, the first piece is the word and the rest are the numeric string values. And then word value 0 is, so index 0 means it will take the first piece as the word token, that is computer. And embedding index word is equal to np.array values 1 colon, so it will convert the remaining pieces to a numpy array of floats and store it in a dictionary under that word. And we will print the words most similar to computer. And then we will here we have given like model w2v dot wv dot most similar. So we will ask the word2vec model for words that are closest to computer in the vector space, and it prints them. Then we will create another model to compute the loss. So this is the same thing, but here we have made a loss model with word2vec and sentences. Again, we are taking from common text. Vector size is 50, windows 5, minimum count 1. So here we are computing the loss, so it's true. And then we are training it, so we will train the model loss model for 10 passes over the data, so we can produce a loss value. And then we will get the latest training loss value for that model. Then we will plot it. So we have taken size 6 into 4 inches for the loss chart. And then we have taken sky blue as it will draw a single bar, um, like here. Till here it's the graph representation. Here it's words is equal to list key dot index key to index keys, so it will pick the first 15 words from the word2vec model's vocabulary to visualize. And then here we will retrieve the 50 dimensional vectors for those 15 selected words, and then we'll create a PCA transformer that will reduce the vectors from 50 to 2. So instead of the 50 elements, we can reduce the size into 2. So, and reduced PCA.fit transformers, it will apply the PCA to the selected word vectors and return 2D coordinates. And then we will give a scatter plot. And then for I word and enumerate words, it will start a loop to label each plotted point with its word, and then it will place the actual word text next to its point on the plot. Here we have shown all the words that are similar to computer. And this is a training model, a training loss graph. And then this is the scatter plot. So survey and interface are very close. User is here, response, system, time, human, graph, miners and trees, and EPS in computer. So this is PC one. Um, yes, so this is the experiment 7. Thank you.